This video is a 7-day challenge where I'm going to be building a print-on-demand company over 7 consecutive days. Now this video has been absolutely crazy, it's been so difficult to shoot, and it's actually taken quite a bit longer than 7 days just because I haven't had the time. But either way, I just wanted to document this journey for you so you could see what it's like creating a print-on-demand business in 7 days, kind of 7 days. This video is just part 1, so watch until the end, see how it ends, and hopefully I'll see you in part 2 when that comes out. In this video, we're going to be building a print-on-demand business in 7 days. With print-on-demand on the rise, I wanted to pose a question. How hard would it be to set up a print-on-demand business from scratch in 1 week? So where do we begin? Let's get the whole idea written out, planned out on the whiteboard. Okay, now that that's done, let's start with the designs. We have one I want to use. I made it 6 years ago and it's since been ripped off many times. But I know it was original, so I'm going to go for it and I'm not worried about the competition. I'm going to be hosting this on my own site, which you're going to find out in day 2. We need 4 more pug or dog related designs. If we can stick to pug, that'll be amazing because I want to try and be super niche, which will make the advertising and the marketing and all of that kind of stuff much easier. And when it comes to selling on a very niche specific store, so pugs, it'll be very easy to sell. So let's go and find the next design. Next is a design I had made on Fiverr, but let's tweak it and add some paws to it. Fix the fonts, only 3 more designs to go. Let's research. Okay, so after using Vexels and my iPad, I've come up with a whole bunch more designs, and you're gonna see them tomorrow. For now, let's call Michal, who I'm doing this business with, and get her opinion on these 5 designs. Hey, right, I need to show you 2 designs. I need to get your opinion on them before I upload them. Cool?
Okay.
Right, 1 minute. How are you, by the way?
I'm good, thanks. Working.
Okay, right, so you've got this one, which is like a pug facial. It's a pug related website, so it's gonna only be dogs and stuff.
Okay.
If there's anything wrong, then let me know and I need to fix it.
Also, it might come up too high here now.
Okay, fine. I'll mess around with that.
I like that. It's cool. It's playful. I really like that.
So I think what I might do with this one is I might change the be like a and leave fonts because they don't really match the rest of the fonts. Thank you. I will call you back later. Welcome to day 2. Oh my gosh, the to-do list is absolutely crazy today. It's time to create the website, and we're going to be doing this on Shopify. Rather than Redbubble or Teespring or Amazon, I wanted to show everyone how this can be done, and I feel it's more long-term and you'll have more control by doing it on Shopify. There won't be competition, there won't be spammers, and there won't be anyone's crappy designs. Unless mine are crappy. We need to think up a name. I have a few ideas. The pug scene, a pug's life, the pug store. Let's see if any of them are available on GoDaddy. Nope. Gosh, no, I'm not spending that amount of money. Looks like the pug scene is our name. Let's get that and move on. Now to create the Shopify store and the Gmail account. And finally, we're going to need to integrate a print-on-demand company so that they can print the designs people buy on our site. Eventually, we'll find our own company and get it done for a quarter of the price, but for now, it's early days. The company we're going to be using is Printful, who have also sponsored this video. I like the Printful platform. Their products and the quality are pretty good, so I emailed them to see if they wanted to be involved. They kindly said yes and sponsored this video, so thank you Printful. As well as that, they sent over a bunch of samples. I got 2 hoodies and I got 2 t-shirts. I want the quality to be as good as it possibly can, so I'm going to go for the American Apparel hoodie and both t-shirts, the Bella Canvas and the Gildan. Right, now let's create the store. I did say it was a big day. Once we've integrated Printful, which by the way was super easy, we can add our designs and our products. But as well as that, we need to make this look like a good site. So we need some banner art, maybe a blog, we need a plugin so people can leave reviews, a cart abandonment email plugin, we need a few more plugins. Wow, okay, the site is all done, everything is integrated, we now need to test it. So let's call our friend Michal again and get her to go through the site and do the first test order. Hey, Okay,
Hello.
I've finished the website now. It's taken me flipping ages, but I need you to go through it. I need you just to tell me the customer journey, if it's good. Tell me if I've missed anything out, any improvements, and I need to do a test purchase so that we can make sure all the emails are coming and, you know, the cart process works and everything. So, do you have 2 minutes?
Yes, I
Awesome.
do.
Should I
What's
show
the
it?
website called?
Okay.
Okay.
I don't get it, but I can check the web form.
Shut the f*** up,
So what
Siri!
whatever-
Siri clearly doesn't get the pug scene.
Oh, do you know what would be cool if that like was a reel of like all the animation about Jimmy? You've not done anything on the About Us page.
That's a really good point, actually. I've totally forgotten about the About Us page.
Yeah, mate, you have to add some text there.
Okay, we switched to the iPad. Sorry, the phone was annoying me. Anyway, so what's happened so far?
I have got to the payment and shipping is £4.43, which is actually really reasonable.
Okay, that's good actually. I was expecting it to be more. So £4.43 is not bad. So
was I.
what's the total for a hoodie?
It's £23 for the hoodie and £4 for the £4.43 for the shipping, which is actually pretty reasonable. Quite like that.
Okay, fine. I like that.
Our first purchase. Okay, I know it was a test purchase from a friend, but still, real ones will come soon. Or maybe they won't, and this entire video will be a waste of time. Who knows?
Now it's time to start the free marketing. So what we need to do is we need to go and create an Instagram account. We need to create a Facebook account. We need to create maybe a TikTok account. And then we need to make some posts on all of these accounts. And tomorrow we are going to start paid ads to our Shopify store. This is end of part 1. Part 2 is hopefully going to be coming in the near future when I finish editing that part of the video. Anyway, let me know in the comments down below what you thought of part 1, if you're excited for part 2, and if you think this is going to be a massive failure, because it still can be a massive failure. I mean, who knows?